Hey y'all, Dr. Mel here, wanting to talk to you about a really important thing, breath and tension. Have you ever caught yourself sighing heavily at the end of a long day, like your body really needs a reset you didn't even know you needed? Or maybe no matter how much you stretch or roll your shoulders, just tension keeps creeping back in? What if I told you the way you breathe might be a hidden reason why you feel stiff, tense, or even constantly overwhelmed? Most people don't realize that their everyday breathing patterns are keeping them locked in a stress mode, draining energy, affecting your posture, even fueling anxiety. In this video, I want to break down 3 surprising facts about breath and tension. And most importantly, I want to show you some simple but really powerful techniques to reset the nervous system in real time. So stick around, because in a few moments, I want to guide you through a test to check how your breath is affecting your body. Breathing isn't just about getting oxygen. It's a direct line into your nervous system. The way you breathe controls how your body reacts to stress, and how your body reacts to stress controls the way you breathe. So there's a key there. How you hold tension, how much energy you have, can come under more conscious control. But here's the problem. If you have a habit of breathing shallowly, your body is on high alert. It's in constant fight or fight or freeze action, and you might not even know it. Or if you breathe through your mouth, your brain gets less oxygen. Complicated chemical reaction? True. This can make you feel foggy, anxious, even dizzy. And if your posture is chronically misaligned, your breath can get trapped in your chest and your throat, reducing circulation, body, brain, even slowing down your body's ability to recover. And most of us don't even know we're doing this. But in just a moment, I'll show you a quick way to check your own breathing habits. But first, let's dive into 3 surprising facts. Shallow breathing keeps you stuck in fight or flight. If your breath is trapped in your chest, instead of expanding into the low back, the ribs, and your belly, your nervous system thinks you're in danger, even if you're just sitting at your desk or at that red light. That means more tension, less oxygen efficiency, and a cycle of stress your body's constantly struggling to try to manage. Mouth breathing makes you more tired and anxious. Did you know that? If you breathe through your mouth, you might think it feels natural, but it's actually lowering your body's ability to absorb oxygen. Complicated chemical reaction? True. Without enough carbon dioxide in your system, your body doesn't effectively have a way to put oxygen into your cells. So those 2 things have to be in balance. Not enough oxygen leads to brain fog, dizziness, even panic symptoms, all from something as simple as how you inhale and exhale. Also, your breath and your posture are intimately linked. Think about it. Poor posture compresses the ribs, making deep breath difficult or impossible. Less oxygen, less breath, lower energy, slower healing times, chronic muscle tension that no amount of stretching is going to fix. But the good news? Fixing your breath automatically can improve your posture. Improving your posture automatically helps your breath. So in just a second, let's test this on ourselves. But first, let's get a quick baseline. How are you breathing? Take a deep breath in. Notice what moves first. Your breath goes into your upper chest, your belly, or your low back. Don't cheat. Check it out. If your chest rises first, you're probably breathing in a way that signals stress to your body. This is the kind of breathing that you do if you're trying to get away from a lion, except there's no lions chasing us. So that causes stress. If you're breathing just in your belly and your ribs, you're breathing better, but you're still not engaging full lung capacity and supporting total relaxation. If you bring your hands around to the back of your ribs and take a breath, notice if you can expand into your lower back ribs. That's how a baby breathes when there's no danger. Can you do it? Really important thing. Awareness of how you're breathing is the first step to changing it. All right, now let's reset breath. Vagus nerve activation. This is a polyvagal breath reset. Really cool way of inspiring relaxation throughout the nervous system of the body. This is where you're going to increase your exhalation. So you breathe in slowly through your nose, let's say 4 seconds, 2 seconds if that's all you can do, 8 seconds if it's good for you. So breathe in through the nose. Expand the ribs in all directions, especially in the low back. And now exhale slowly through your nose for about twice as long as you inhaled. Extending that exhale shifts you into a relaxation mode. To take it a step further, try making a sound like humming or sighing on the out-breath. It's a natural way for the body to reduce stress. It activates the vagus nerve and causes that built-in stress reliever to start into motion. So inhaling, exhaling twice as long, and on the exhale, try humming or sighing to extend the breath longer. Do 2, 3, 4 of those in a row and just notice what happens. That simple technique immediately starts rewiring the nervous system for more calm. But we're not done yet. There's another trick to improve how your body uses oxygen. This is training for carbon monoxide. This is training for carbon dioxide. Breathing too fast or too much actually reduces oxygen that your body is able to absorb. So try this. Breathe only through your nose and park your tongue behind your front teeth. It closes a really important energy circuit of the body. Okay, after you breathe out, hold the breath for the same amount of time that you exhaled, and then breathe in again for the same amount of time that you exhaled. So you breathe in and breathe out the same amount of time, and then hold at the top. This square breathing technique begins to build your body's ability to tolerate CO2 better, and it also improves oxygen delivery to your cells. So remember, in and out, same amount of length. Hold top and bottom, same amount of length of time. More energy, reduce stress, and you just feel better. But what if your nervous system still feels on edge? Let's add a really cool thing. Eye movement. This eye movement can really calm things down even more. Your breath and your nervous system are really connected to your eyes. Try this. Keep your head still and move your eyes really slowly side to side. You don't have to go really far. Just move side to side and notice. How does it feel? What's the difference? You may notice that you want to yawn, or you feel your jaw relax, or maybe your stomach gurgles. All signs that your body's switching into a relaxation mode. Want to take it even deeper? Let's bring eyes, posture, and breath all together. It's a movement-based tension release. So you can lie on your back or sit and clasp your hands behind your head. Let your elbows fall back. Now let your eyes drift to one side. Hold your head still, eyes to one side. Don't have to go real far, just hold them there. And breathing through your nose, tongue parked behind your teeth. Keep your breath even or extend the out breath and just hold it there until you feel a signal that you're done, that it's enough. You're going to notice that this may be one of the fastest ways you have to interrupt stress and reset your posture at the same time. When you reset your breath, you increase your CO2 tolerance, making oxygen absorption more efficient. You get that vagus nerve going, shifting from stress mode to relaxation mode. And you reduce tension in the neck, the shoulders, and jaw. All the muscles here that are involved in stress breathing can just calm down. It's easier to sit up straight. You also boost your brain function, circulation, energy levels. Everything just feels easier. And the best part, you don't have to overhaul your whole routine. You can do this on your way, not out of your way. You just need to make some simple shifts. So what's a daily hack? One simple change. From this moment forward, breathe through your nose all day. Keep your tongue parked behind your front teeth and breathe through your nose. If you catch yourself mouth breathing, gently close your lips and slow down the exhale. That's it. That one small habit can rewire the nervous system when it's done consistently, reduce stress, and increase energy without much extra effort. So if this made you rethink how you breathe, let me know. Hit the like button. Spread this info more to people who actually need it. And if you want to go deeper into breath, posture, movement, make sure to subscribe. Let me know in the comments, did you try any of these techniques? What'd you notice? Breathe better, move better, feel better. I'll see you in the next one.